Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic, the MEXC bonus. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience and maximize your gains, you're in the right place. MEXC is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of features, including an enticing bonus for new users. When you sign up on MEXC and use the referral code 12K4M5, you unlock incredible benefits that can set your trading journey in motion. This bonus is designed to give you extra leverage, allowing you to trade with confidence right from the start. So, what can you expect from the MEXC bonus? First and foremost, it provides an immediate boost to your account balance, enabling you to explore numerous trading pairs and investment opportunities without having to deposit as much of your own funds. This is particularly beneficial for new traders who may be cautious about jumping into the bustling world of cryptocurrency. Using the referral code 12K4M5 is simple. Just enter it during the registration process, and you'll automatically qualify for the bonus. This not only rewards you, but also helps us here at Crypto Kickstart grow our community. As a special thank you for joining, you'll gain access to webinars, tutorials, and regular updates that we provide to enhance your trading skills. Additionally, MEXC offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and high liquidity, making it a perfect platform for both beginners and seasoned traders. The MEXC bonus, combined with the referral code benefit, means that you are not just gaining a financial edge, but also joining a supportive trading community. In conclusion, if you haven't yet registered with MEXC, now is the perfect time to do so. Use the referral code 12K4M5 to claim your bonus and start your trading journey today. Join us at Crypto Kickstart for more tips, tricks, and insights to help you succeed in the crypto world. Happy trading!